Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. In today's video, I'm going to show you the location of your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor on a 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Please hit that like button right now. That helps me out a lot. Now to find this oxygen sensor, you're going to shimmy under the vehicle, follow the exhaust stream down, right behind the engine, right in front of the subframe, you're going to find your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor pointing right up, right there. And the connector is right up there too. Really easy to access this one. If you need to replace this oxygen sensor, you could use a oxygen sensor socket, like so. This one slides right over the oxygen sensor, grabs onto it, and you could turn it. What I like about this oxygen sensor socket is that star pattern inside there. You could fit a 1/2-inch socket wrench right inside there in multiple angles, directions, and get it to fit and work perfectly. I really like this one. It's my favorite. But since this oxygen sensor on this vehicle is so easy to access, a 22mm open-end wrench should be able to get the job done too. 22mm open-end fits perfect on an oxygen sensor. If you do have a catalyst efficiency below threshold code, you do not need to replace the catalytic converter more downstream of this oxygen sensor. So the catalytic converter that is downstream from this oxygen sensor is not monitored by the computer. So if you do have the catalyst efficiency below threshold, so P0420 and such, only replace the catalytic converter that is upstream from your Bank 1 Sensor 2. The catalytic converter that's between both oxygen sensors, that's the only one monitored by the computer. If this oxygen sensor goes bad, you do not or you should not see any efficiency change in the vehicle or drivability issues in the vehicle. This oxygen sensor is only on the vehicle to monitor the efficiency of the catalytic converter, and that's it. If you have a heater circuit code, more than likely the oxygen sensor is bad. If you have a catalyst efficiency below threshold code, more than likely if you have over 110,000 miles and that code, the cat is probably bad, so replace both the cat and this oxygen sensor. Catalytic converters should last forever, but due to lack of maintenance and just wear and tear on vehicles, for some reason cats are not lasting forever like they used to. My 94 Chevy truck, that cat just went bad last year, I believe, and it's still on the vehicle. We moved it to Georgia where they don't have smog, so don't tell anybody that. But back to what we're talking about. Now, this oxygen sensor is really easy to replace. Should be replaced about every 100,000 miles just to make sure that it's functioning properly. I showed you how to replace it, gave you some tips. If this video did help you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. And don't forget, before you go, hit that like button, please. That helps me out a lot in the algorithm, so hit the like button now. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.